Hi, welcome to TunesKit channel. In this video, today I'll show you 10 ways to fix FaceTime not working. Method 1. Enable FaceTime on your device. To enable FaceTime on your iPhone, you can do the following steps. Step 1. Go to the settings. Step 2. Click the FaceTime. Step 3. Enable the FaceTime. Method 2. Check your Wi-Fi or switch a cellular data. Try to refresh your internet connection by re-enabling Wi-Fi. Go to the settings, Wi-Fi, and toggle it off. Then wait for about 30 seconds and toggle it back on. Method 3. Remove the restriction on FaceTime and camera. Just open the settings. Tap the screen time. Turn on the screen time. Click the content and privacy restrictions. Turn off the content and privacy restrictions. Then the FaceTime restriction is removed. Method 4. Change a SIM card. Switching carriers on your iPhone will also cause FaceTime not working, so you can report this problem to them, or you can try to change the SIM card on your iPhone to solve this problem easily. Method 5. Correct date and time settings. Incorrect date and time may cause this issue. Step 1. Go to the settings, General, Date and time. Step 2. Select your time zone. Step 3. Change the correct date and time. Method 6. Check your Apple ID. A wrong Apple ID will also cause FaceTime not working. Open the settings. Tap on FaceTime. Then you can check if Apple ID is right. If not, then change to yours. Method 7. Check if you have blocked someone on FaceTime. If you have blocked someone on FaceTime, it will cause the FaceTime not working too. You just need to go to Settings. Click FaceTime. Tap on Blocked Contacts and check if anyone is in the blocked list. If there is someone you want to call on in the list, you should unblock them by tapping the edit icon. And click this red icon. Then click the unblock icon to unblock this number. Method 8. Update iOS system to the latest version. Step 1. Go to the settings. Find the General. Step 2. Tap Software Update. Step 3. Choose the Download and Install Now. Method 9. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. TunesKit iOS Repair have the highest success rate to fix it with the following steps. Step 1. Open and launch TunesKit on computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Then click the Start button. Step 2. Choose a repair mode. The standard mode is better, as it can keep the iPhone data intact. If done, click the Next button. Step 3. Into DFU mode. Follow the 3 steps to put your device into DFU mode. When the Next button is turned blue, then click it to the next step. Step 4. Download firmware package and repair. Before downloading, you can check the device info. Then, tap the Download button. If it is complete, tap the Repair button, and wait a few minutes, your iPhone will be repaired. Method 10. Find a FaceTime alternative. As FaceTime is not available all across the globe, some countries like Saudi Arabia don't have FaceTime for iPhone users. So if you are not allowed to use FaceTime, you can look for some alternatives to replace it. That's it for today's video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.